Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you like to crochet these beautiful flower clips? This is so easy and very nice, and you can use it for most of the things. For example, for design your hair, to get a gift for your baby, for your friend or everything. And this is so nice and very easy. So let's go to see how to crochet these beautiful clips. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. For this tutorial, I used this kind of yarn and I used this hook. The size of the hook is 1.75. So let's go to see how to crochet these beautiful clips. You can use different color for this, for example the pink or the red or everything. So let's go to see how to crochet this. For this tutorial, I started with 35 chains. So I put the hook here and then make one chain, 2, 3, 4, 5 until we have 35 chains. Have 35 chains here. Then I make 4 chains extra, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then put the hook in 6 of these chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exactly in this part. Put the hook here and make 1 double crochet like this, and then make 2 chains and again put the hook in the same space, exactly this part. Yarn over and make 1 double crochet, then skip this 2 chain and put the hook in 1, 2, and 3 in third chain, this one, and again make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and again here in the same space another double crochet. Now we have this shape, so I continue this until I arrive in the end of these chains. I repeat again, skip this 2 chain, 1, 2, 3, and here make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and another double crochet in the same chain. So keep continue this until you arrive in the end of this chain. Now I complete this round and I have this shape. Then I put the hook in the first hole here and make 1 slip stitch, and then make 2 chains, and here in this space make 1 half double crochet, and again put the hook here in the same space, make 1 double crochet, again put the hook here and make another double crochet, again put the hook here and make another double crochet, and then put the hook here and make 1 half double crochet and 2 chains. So we have 2 chains, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 2 chains. Then put a hook in above of this part here and make 1 slip stitch Then go to the next V shape here, put the hook here and make another slip stitch, and again make 2 chains, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochet here in this V shape, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet, then again here 1 half double crochet, and then 2 chains, and put the hook here in above of this hole, exactly this part, and make 1 slip stitch. Now we have this shape, so you must continue this until you arrive in the end of this part. Okay, now I complete this round and I have this shape. Then I make 1 chain here in this part and cut this yarn like this. Now for the next step, I do something like this. Now we have this beautiful flower, so we must fix it together. So I use the needle to fix this part together. As you can see, I put the needle here between this part and try to fix it together. Again repeat, go to the next chain and make another double crochet, and again go to the next chain and make another double crochet, then go to the next chain and make 1 half double crochet, and now we arrive here in the last chain, so put the hook here and make 3 single crochet. So this is 1, again here, this is 2, and again here, this is 3 single crochet. Then go here in next chain, exactly this one, and this is the extra yarn. I want to hide this, yarn over and make 1/2 double crochet. Again, go to the next stitch here and make 1 double crochet. Again, go to the next stitch and make another double crochet, and again here another double crochet. Now we have 3 double crochet here. Then go to the next stitch and make 1/2 double crochet. And now we arrive in the last of this chain here, so we need 1 single crochet, and then put the hook here and make 1 slip stitch, then 1 chain, and then cut the yarn and use a needle to hide this extra yarn, and cut this extra yarn too. Like this. Now I use this, and then I put this flower here and this leaf here. So first I fix it here, so I use the glue and put it here, and then again use the glue and put it here, and then again use the glue and fix it here. Made 2 of this flower, so you can use different color of flower here. So this is complete. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.